my channel. It's Alexi Leanne. So today we'll be doing a eyeshadow tutorial. This one with this palette. This is the 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette. These are these beautiful colors. I created the look on my last video on different concealers, so I will link that one up above, and then you can go check that out and see what this eyeshadow look we're going to create for this time. It's Valentine's Day is coming up. This look will be perfect for that. Also, I've got some new products. I tried this. Now this is the Buxom Dragonfruit exfoliating lip scrub, and it looks like this. So I've been using this for like the past couple of weeks. I think it works. It really makes my lips really soft. And also I've been using this too. Now this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Loose highlighter. Really loving this because I really love gold. As you can see, I've been using this on my cheekbones today, and it is flawless. So if you want to see how this look is going to turn out, keep on watching. But before you do, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to turn your post notifications so you won't miss anything. Okay guys, so I'll be using these 4 brushes for this makeup look. Really just 3, because I'm going to use this one just like the highlighter in my inner eyes. But these 3 brushes to create a beautiful simple look. And this will probably take like 3 to 4 minutes to do it. So the first thing we're going to do, as always, we're going to start off with a transition shade. And we're going to start off with this shade right here. And I really zoomed it in so you really can see what I'm doing. Next, I'm still going to go just use this same Morphe brush that I was using. And I'm going to go in, let's see if I can do this. Might got to zoom in and out. And I'm going to start off with this red right here. So then I'm going to work this into my outer edge. And you see I'm just trying to keep that inner area pretty clean. I'm just really just buffing that into the skin. You know, I know this is weird, but I'm left-handed, but I tend to do things with my right hand. But then sometimes I get confused and really don't know what hand I should use. So that looks pretty good. I'm still just going to use this same brush since I am still using the reds. And I'm going to be using this red right down here, and it's like more of like a little burgundy color. So we're going to use that one. And we're going to put it like right here as well. Just kind of deepen up that color just a little bit. And we're taking the excess and just kind of bringing it, swiping it over just a little bit towards the front, but it just basically just blends beautifully. And I liked how some of the fallout basically came on the eyelids, like on my inner part right here. So when I put in the gold, it basically just, it looks so beautiful and carefree. Okay, so now that we basically got our reds blended how we want to, we're going to go in with this color right here. This is that gold color, and I want y'all to see this and swatch. Well, do you see how that looks on my finger? Do you see that? So I want to swatch it right here just so you guys can really see, like, that gold. It's beautiful. So we're going to be putting that on our eyelid. And I learned that I'm not going to use my brushes for any of that. I'm just going to use my finger, because your finger, basically, it works better for this part. So you're just going to take some on your finger. I like to use my index finger, and you're just basically going to pack that onto your eyelid. And it stays on beautifully. It basically looks like that liquid eyeshadow, the ones that Elf Cosmetics has and Stila has as well, but this gold was just so beautiful in this palette that I was like, I can use this one too. And you just basically just keep building up until you get what you like. Of course, I want to really sparkle. And this look is so easy to do for anyone, for people that don't use makeup a lot. But this one is great, and it's so simple. And this palette, this makeup, it's so soft, this eyeshadow. And that is basically it, how that looks. I'm going to take another fluffy brush, a little smaller, and just to kind of really make sure that red and that gold is kind of blended like how I want it to be. Of course, you can smoke out your bottom lash line, but I usually typically do not do that. But basically, this is the finished look. I told you guys it was simple and easy to do. You can throw on, of course I'm going to throw on my lashes. Well, no lashes. I'm going to throw on my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys what this looks like. Okay, y'all, and this basically is the finished look. I am going to take a little of this highlighter that I was telling you about and put it in my inner corner to really open up my eye area. But okay, y'all, this is this finished look of this tutorial with this eyeshadow. Y'all, if you don't have this palette in your collection, I would definitely recommend this one, especially if you're not really into makeup, but this palette will take you a long way. It has all the essential colors that you'll need, like basic, blacks and browns, so it's easy to come up with any colors that you're really looking for if you want to go neutral or whatever, but I would totally recommend that palette. It's an Ulta. I want to say it is $42, but it's a go get it. Go get that palette. Again, this can be for Valentine's Day, since this is coming up. You can be with your significant other and you want something that's really extravagant but not too hard to accomplish, so this is the look that you can do. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.